Bro, this shit's so damn crazy, man. I really turned $35 into $3,000 in less than 4 hours, and probably total in between these trades, how long it's taken me, it probably took me like maybe 30 minutes to an hour total if you want to count opening and closing each and every part of this order flow. So I just want to let you guys know that never keep thinking that you need so much capital. No, you just need this skill set. You just need to learn this. And when you learn this, it's an unlimited amount of new capabilities that you can get. Like, I shock myself every single week I step into this, into the playground, like into the field. Every single day is a new fucking day to learn some shit, to explore some shit, to feel the markets, to feel the volatility, to take on these risks. I'm taking risk on a daily basis. I took a risk on a daily basis. The account started off as 25 GBP, and I got it up to 2414 GBP within a couple of hours, which adds up to $35 USD and converts over to 3,050 USD. So you see what's going on. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. I just want you guys to like see it, feel it with me, take it in, because just can stay tuned to even what more I have to do. Like, that was just one of the accounts that I was trading today, and I was trading multiple at the same time. So I just want to let you guys know that like all you have to do is continuously put in this work. Do not stop applying pressure. Do not stop. Don't give up. Don't listen to the naysayers in your family and friend group. If they not on what you on, you might have to separate to elevate. And I've been saying this for years, like, you're going to have to cut people off. You have people in your circle, people around you who have reached the expiration limit, and you still trying to hold on to them. So let them go so that you can flourish.
Hey. Go. Hey. I'm so grateful. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. Can never be hateful. Ooh, I'm so grateful. I just woke up and I'm feeling so good. I'm like, goddamn, how I get this way? I just be having a ball with this shit. I look at the time, how I get this late. Ooh, I feel so good, I feel so great. They try to take my love away. I had to step back, take a break. I had to separate all the hate. I couldn't tell the real from the fake. They try to fabricate all the love, and if I could, I never would've gave it up. Just keep it real with me and get the fuck away from me with all the stupid stuff. Try to take from me like I ain't give enough. At this point, I don't give a fuck. At this point, gotta do what I gotta do for me, not you. Say you love me, that's not true. I hurt and I cry too. I hate being lied to, but who do? This not voodoo, won't control you. So I'm going my way with the shit. I
You want to see me close out? Just give me 1 second. I'm on 2 different computers. See, I got this one up here. Close all positions. I don't play that extra shit. You know what I mean? We gonna get the whole bag. Not no extra shit going on. You got to let that 1-click close. I don't care what nobody say. That 1-click close is really where it's at. We're gonna see if it break, and once it break, we should just get it flying, to be honest. We should just get that thing flying. This is hard though, you know what I mean? This is real hard to just see. Yeah, hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me do this real quick so y'all can see. I don't wanna share too much information. But as y'all can see, it's a live account. Just so y'all know.
I can't go back to the past, cause that shit won't last. See through you like clear glass, so I'm focused on my bag. And bitch, that's my bag. So I'm so grateful, so motherfucking grateful. In the past where I left all the haters. Bitch, I'm a legend, but not in the making. And I'm so thankful, so motherfucking thankful. Could've stopped when they said that I couldn't. I did shit when they said that I shouldn't. I show love even when you ain't looking. And the love that I gave, I can't take it from you. And the shit ain't the same, cause I feel so brand new. They try to fabricate all the love, and if I could, I never would've gave it up. Just keep it real with me and get the fuck away from me with all the stupid stuff. Try to take from me like I ain't give enough. At this point, I don't give a fuck. At this point, gotta do what I gotta do for me, not you. Say you love me, that's not true. I hurt and I cry too. I hate being lied to, but who do? This not voodoo, won't control you. So I'm going my way with shit. I won't go back to the past. I can't go back to the past, cause that shit won't last. See through you like clear glass. So I'm focused on my bag, and bitch, that's my bag. And the love that I gave, I can't take it from you. And the shit ain't the same, cause I feel so brand new.
What's up, guys? As you can see, we just smashed take profit, y'all. Y'all see, it is a live account. You know what I mean? Wow. From 25 GBP to 1953 GBP.
Alright, Jermaine.
Ay, flip like forever. We forever flipping. Ay, ay. Niggas always wonder how I'm living. I just tell them sit back, pay attention. Gotta keep them niggas out your business. Remember, they just see how nigga really spending, and they don't know how much I'm really getting. Niggas here missing, I'm just hitting. I remember staring at the ceiling, thinking to myself how I'm about to make $1 million. Thinking to myself why these niggas acting different. Oh, cause they see the light and I ain't talking diamonds glistening. Bitch, you not my type and I ain't even tryna hit it. Goddamn, shit gon' get tragic. I ain't finna fuck the bitch, hell nah, she too average. She asking for some money, hell nah, bitch, I ain't your daddy. She just see a nigga living lavish. She just used to niggas always capping. I'm at the top, bottom crowded. I'm hot in the bitch, but my mind never clouded. You better get your bitch before I make her my assistant. She can't get $1 out of me, and yeah, I meant it. I don't play no FIFA, hell nah, bitch, we cannot kick it. I need all my increments if I forgot to mention. Daddy got a mouth wide open, I'm the dentist. Bitch, we finna fuck, so why you tryna bring your children? I done landed in that pussy first like I'm a pilgrim. She want me to treat her, hell nah, I ain't Homer Simpson. Why you text my phone if you ain't tryna throw that cookie? I'ma beat it like my name is Lion Lucius. When I get up in it, she could tell I'm not a rookie. She said she don't get around, well, why you tryna crook me? Is this shit real life or is this shit a fucking movie? I done seen some shit that motherfuckers I think spooky. He was fucking with that dog and nigga, I ain't talking Scooby. You supposed to be on my team, but now you think you acting groupie. Love, people use that word too fucking loosely. Love, people use that word and try to use me. Drugs, I done seen that shit, that nigga stupid.